everyone. This is Shushmita, Assistant Professor of Computer Science in Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women's. Today we discuss about the topic of types of firewalls. Firewalls is nothing but it's filtering out unwanted network traffics. The name was metaphors, linking, partitions, migrations, and then physical structure of another's. So in case of the networking, the idea was to insert filters between the ostensibly safe internal network and any traffic entering. Okay, we will discuss today the top types of firewalls. The 5 types of basic and then reliables. That is a packet filter firewall, circuit level gateway, application level gateway, and then stateful infections. Finally, next generation firewalls. The different types of firewalls incorporate very varied method of filterings. In each type of firewalls are developed based on their operating systems. Firewall types distinguished by the approaches: connection tracking, filtering rules, audit logs. For example, by providing an prevention system, denial of service attacks, protections, session monitoring, and other security services with the private network. While some type of firewalls can work as multifunctional security devices, they need to be part of a multi-layered architecture that executes effective enterprise security policies. How do the different types of firewalls work? Monitoring the firewall traffic against a set of predetermined rules that are designed to sift out harmful content. So let me move the topic of packet filtering firewall. Packet filtering firewalls operate inline at junction point, where devices such as routers and switches do their works. However, these firewalls don't route packets. Rather, they compare each packet received to a set of established criteria, such as the allowed IP addresses, packet type, port number, and other aspects. In static packet filters known as stateless inspections in OSI network layer of others. Notably, this filtering based on IP addresses, port, packet protocols. So these firewalls at bare minimum prevent two networks from directly connecting without permissions. So packet filtering firewall advantages: as a single device can filter traffic for the entire network, extremely fast and efficient in scanning traffic, and then inexpensive, and then minimal effort on the other resources, network performance and end user experiences. Packet filtering firewalls disadvantages: does not check the payload and can be easily spoofed. Not an ideal option for every network. These are the disadvantages of packet filtering. And then next, circuit level gateway. Circuit level gateway relatively quick way to identify malicious content. This is the TCP handshake and other network protocol session. So these firewalls check functional packets, attempts, connections, and if operating well, will permit persistent and open connections network to networks. Let us establish between the local and remote host to determine whether the session being initiated is legitimate, whether the remote system is considered trusted. The ongoing and unmonitored connection is dangerous, as a legitimate mean could open the connection and later permit a malicious actor to enter uninterrupted. So the disadvantages of circuit level gateway is no application layer monitoring, and then requires ongoing updates to keep rules current. And then the circuit level gateway offer no protection against the data leakage from devices with the firewall. So these are the disadvantages of circuit level gateway. Next, stateful infections. Stateful infections firewall called the dynamic packet. These firewalls are uniquely from static filtering in the ability to monitoring ongoing the connections, and remember past one. This offers more security than either packet filtering or circuit monitoring alone, but to exact a greater toll on network performance. Further variant of a stateful infection is multi-layer inspection firewall, which is considered as a flow of transaction in process across multiple layer of 7 layers OSI models. So specifically, the stateful inspection firewalls allow or block traffic based on technical properties such as a specific packet protocols, IP address, ports. So these firewalls are uniquely track and filter based on the state of connections using state label. This firewall updates a filtering rule based on the past connections event logged in the state label by the screening router. Generally, filtering decisions are often based on the administration rules when splitting up the computer and firewalls. Proxy firewalls. In proxy firewalls, also known as the application level firewalls in OSI reference model layer 7, are unique and reading and filtering application protocols. An application inspect the deep packet inspections. So this is DPI and stateful inspections also. Proxy firewall also close to an actual physical barriers as it's possible to get. Unlike other type of firewalls, it's act as an additional two host between external network and internal host computers, with one as a representative proxy for each network. It is based on application level rather than just IP address ports. Basic packet filtering based on application level data rather than just IP addresses ports. Basic packet protocols UDP, ICMP, like in packet based firewalls. Reading and understanding the FTP, HTTP, DNS and other commands allow for more depth in investigate across filtering for many different rules. Next generation firewall. Typically, this NGFW combine packet inspection with stateful inspection and also include some variety of deep packet inspection DPI, as well as other network security systems such as IDS, IPS, malware filtering and antiviruses. While the packet inspecting in traditional firewall looks exclusively at protocol header of the particular packets, DPI looks at the actual data packet is carrying. A DPI firewall track the progress of the web browsing session and can notice whether a packet payload and assembled with the other packet in HTTP server reply constitutes a legitimate HTML format responses. So In this NGFW firewall designed to examine and identify specific dangers such as advanced malware at a more granular levels. And then hybrid firewall. Hybrid firewalls use two or more firewall types in a single private network. This one is a hybrid firewall. NGFW's disadvantages is, in order to drive the biggest benefit, organization need to integrate next generation firewalls with other security system, which can be complex process, and then cost layer than other type of firewalls. Thank you.